Welcome back to the channel, where we dive deep into the world of tomorrow's top-tier automotive marvels. Today, we're bringing you an exclusive look at one of the most iconic names in the SUV world, completely reimagined. This is the all-new, fully updated 2026 Toyota Land Cruiser. The first thing that commands your attention is the Land Cruiser's new face. Bold, upright, and confident, Toyota has embraced a more refined, futuristic aesthetic, while still nodding to its off-road heritage. The wide, horizontal grille is flanked by ultra-slim quad-beam LED headlights, integrated with vertical LED DRLs that resemble futuristic battle armor. A sculpted hood with subtle power bulges hints at the performance underneath, while the bronze and chrome accents give it that luxury presence. Swing around to the rear, and the story continues. The 2026 Land Cruiser features a clean and modern tail design, with a sharp, full-width LED light bar that's both sleek and unmistakably premium. The dual exhausts integrated into a sporty diffuser hint that this isn't just a mountain goat, it's a refined road warrior too. The stance is wide and planted, and the tailgate design is more sculptural than ever. Simply put, it's a blend of toughness and elegance. Step inside, and you're immediately wrapped in modern luxury. Toyota has taken major leaps in design and technology. The 2026 Land Cruiser comes with a spacious cabin featuring quilted leather seats, real wood or brushed metal trim, and a massive panoramic roof. Up front, a dual display setup dominates, with a fully digital instrument cluster and a massive 14-inch touchscreen infotainment system supporting wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and over-the-air updates. Don't let the luxury fool you. This Land Cruiser is still engineered to dominate the roughest terrain. Under the hood, you'll likely find Toyota's new 3.5-litre twin-turbo V6 hybrid powertrain, delivering an estimated 450 horsepower and over 500 pound-feet of torque. That means more power and better efficiency than the outgoing V8. Now let's talk numbers. While Toyota hasn't released official pricing yet, we expect the base model to start around $65,000, with fully loaded luxury trims pushing close to $90,000 or more. As for availability, insiders suggest Toyota is gearing up for a global reveal in late 2025, with the official launch hitting showrooms by early 2026. Expect pre-orders to begin shortly after the reveal, with markets like the US, Middle East, Japan, and Australia among the first in line.